So hello everyone, welcome back. So as you all must be knowing, the placement season is going on in IITs and IITs everywhere. So I think you are aware of that already. So the thing is that this video is not going to be important just for GATE aspirants but also for IIT JEE also, because I hope this video gives you a little bit of motivation in your preparation. Okay, so that's it I want to say. So thing is that if you want to land a dream job through IIT placements, so that is nothing wrong in it. Okay, so I see IITs will provide you research opportunities, your lots of facilities, like if you are learning any subject, apart from all this, obviously the placements are great. Okay, so so it is nothing wrong in it. Okay, it's not that I say it is wrong just to get a good job from IITs, so there is nothing wrong in it. So I hope you are aware of, see, you can just Google it out, how many companies are coming, what are the placement scenarios anywhere. I'm just not talking about IIT Kharagpur, any IITs. Okay, IITs and IITs, you can just Google it out. It's nothing rocket science, you can just find out, you can Google it out. So see, because I can see I just see that the kids like 21 age only, they are fetching this high jobs, not only just salaries but the kind of jobs they are getting, it's marvelous. Okay, so at the age of 21 I fetched a job of TCS with 3 point something salary, and I was in Mumbai. So it was really hard for me to manage all the costs with that kind of salary. So honestly, yes, I did my BTech from Tier 3 college, so getting TCS was a huge deal, and honestly I was really happy when I got placed in TCS. So but if your aim is like you are preparing for IIT JEE and you want to fetch such high jobs, so you are doing a marvelous job. At the age of in school days, if you are doing such a great thing, it's great. Okay, so just to get a job, high paying job or a good company where you will have such a good amount of work or environment or anything, so if you want to get that, it's totally, see, at the end of the day we all want to provide good for our family and society, everything, so that we can help others also, just not only fulfill our needs but others also. So yeah, IITs will give you lots of opportunities placement wise. This is great. Okay, so in your preparation, if you are lacking motivation or something, you can just Google out all the like the placement scenarios in these colleges, premier institutions. You can see, yeah, you can see literally there are lots of companies and compensation. You can see how much the compensation is. I don't have to mention it here, you already know. So honestly, I did not know about such compensation. So compensation and a particular company. So I actually texted on LinkedIn our senior, actually he graduated, so I texted, I saw this company is giving this much of salary. I said I'm not greedy, but I just texted him, our senior, through LinkedIn. So he said it's not about being greedy. Okay, it's good if you want to have earn this compensations. So yeah, it is actually nice, it's nothing bad in it. Yeah, you have to work for it, so do work for it. So that's I want to say, do work really hard for it to get into an IIT. So for now, if you are preparing, so your first focus is you should get into an IIT or NIT's premier institution. So if you are preparing, obviously you want to get into all those premier institutions. So keep your motivation up. See, a year back, I'll tell you, last year December when I was preparing, so I never thought I'll end up into any IITs. Okay, so I thought maybe somewhere, I don't know, I wasn't even thinking. So I did not, nobody knew me. See, now also not lot of people know me, but at least some people know me, and I can teach something, and I am not going for placements now because I am first year, but this exam, GATE exam, has given me a lot. Okay, it's just not just IIT Kharagpur, it has given me a lot of knowledge. So please prepare well. And yeah, about placements and everything, what I have to prepare, and I have to think. Okay, it's not that I am there, it's a year for me now. So but if you are preparing for any exams, IIT, JEE and GATE, these two are exams, or IIT JAM, there are other certain exams for MSCs also, but I don't know about them much. So this two obviously we all know, and give your best shot. Okay, so prepare with full fledged. And for GATE aspirants, yeah, it is 2 months left, December and January. Give your 100%. Okay, don't think of anything else, no consequences, your test marks. Okay, I will discuss one and every topic. I'm getting so much of questions, I will discuss those questions. But for this video I want to say that yes, if you want to land a dream job and you want to get into IIT, please prepare well. Okay, please prepare well. And other things, that if someone is not from IIT doesn't mean that he or she or they will not fetch a good job. Sorry. Because yesterday I was going through LinkedIn a news feed. I saw Striver. I think everyone knows about him. He got into Google, Warsaw, software engineer. So I saw his YouTube video actually. So he is not from any premier institution. He has written it on his LinkedIn also. So if he can fetch those jobs, that's such a huge job, you can do it too. It's not that only getting into IIT is the only way. If you want to get a good job, that doesn't mean you have like, if you are not from premier institution, you don't have to feel low for that. Okay, so why did I not land up a job at the age of 21? I got only TCS, and because I did not prepare anything for it. TCS came as a mass recruiter in our placements in BTech college, and I appeared there, and I did not appear anywhere else. So I did not prepare anything, never appeared anywhere, so obviously I will not get anything. So if I don't put my effort into something, obviously I will not get anything out of it. So that's it. So for this video I want to say that please prepare very well, and if your target is getting into IIT and getting a good job, that is not wrong, that is totally correct, and you should do it. And so the only thing you should focus on is your preparation, and all those numbers you are seeing, just remember that you can fetch those jobs once you get there. Okay, so getting is your first priority now. Think about everything else later, and this video should give you at least some motivation. Okay, so bye, and we will discuss some other topics soon. Okay.